So today I'm going to show you how to turn your Visa gift card into cash using PayPal. Now the way we're going to do this is with PayPal. So if you don't already have an account, you do need to sign up for one. But if you do have one, essentially you can load up into your PayPal account. Something similar to this is what you're going to see. This is on a web browser, but you could also do this on a mobile app. Now what we want to do is go to our wallet section right over here. So if we click on here, it's going to take us to our wallet. Now in our wallet, you're going to see an option that says link a card. So if we go ahead and click on link a card, you're going to have an option right here to say link a debit or credit card. So from here, it's going to have you plug in the card number, the type of card, so if it's a Visa or a MasterCard gift card, and then also the expiration date and the security code. Now we have our billing address based off of our PayPal account. So we're going to go ahead and click on link account once we have all of this filled out. And so for our example today here, you can see that I went ahead and linked up a gift card right over here. You can see it already knows that it is a prepaid card. And of course it shows the last four of the numbers. We're gonna go ahead and click on done. And then from right over here, you can now see that it is actually added in to our account. You can see it over here on the left-hand side. Now the next thing we need to do to be able to get access to this money is actually send this to another PayPal account. Now you could either send it to yourself or a family member and have them send it back. I have multiple PayPal accounts. So what I'm gonna do is click on the send and request option here towards the very top. Now in this section right over here, we have the send option. From here, we can go ahead and put in the person's name, username, email, or phone number if we have it. I also do have my own picture right over here where I can just click on and it'll have me set up all the information that we need to put in next. So in this next section right over here, it is going to ask us for how much we want to send the person and then if we wanted to put a note. Now, one thing we do need to realize too is with sending money from a prepaid card, there are going to be fees associated with it. So if we actually put in $100, I'll show you an example, and click on continue right over here. It's going to ask you what card you want to pull from. If you have a bank on file, it'll choose that first. But if we go over here, you're going to see there is going to be a fee of about $3.20. So you actually have to go back and recalculate a little bit of it. It's not going to be exactly the same because the less you send, the less the fee becomes. So if we go back here, it'll probably be, let's try $97 as a quick example, and see if that comes up. So it's $3.11. So we have to try just a little bit more here. So it'd be about $96.88, give or take. Let's see. So we're looking for this to be essentially a match right over there. So actually it's gonna be 89. So that right there should match it up perfectly. So we're gonna go ahead and click on the next button right over here. And here we can go ahead and scroll down. So we're verifying that we're sending it to, well, in this case, myself. You can change that if you need to. And then right over here, you can see the Visa gift card that we had. Total charge is $100. You'll be sending $96.89. The fee for PayPal is $3.11. And then you will get a total of $100 pulled out of that card, which is better than possibly selling it off on a third-party website or trying to sell it to somebody else. That $3 is just the fee for going through this process. So if everything is looking good, you can click on send a payment now, and then it's going to go through that process, and then it shows you that you went ahead and sent that payment through. Now, if you want to learn how to withdraw that money, if you maybe sent it to a second PayPal account for yourself or a family member sent it back, click on this next video right over here on screen to learn how to withdraw your money from PayPal. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.